I find that a lot of the AI tools that get the most hype, I end up trying out, but actually they don't fit into my workflows, and so I end up ditching them. But today I'm going to show you a mind-blowing AI tool that's going to take your content to the next level and make it more sticky and more engaging. And here's how it works. So here I am writing a brand new post about Bob Dylan. I'm going to fill it in, and this is just a normal WordPress post, and I'm going to publish this at the top here. But wait for it, the magic's about to happen. So I hit publish. Let's go and check it out. The magic is about to happen. Here we go. Now watch this. And can you see that on the top of the screen where it's saying converting the page to audio automatically? But it hasn't only taken my text and automatically converted that to audio. It's done something even more clever. Check this out.
Bob Dylan, born Robert Zimmerman, is not just a musician, but a cultural icon whose influence spans over 6 decades.
Yep, that's right. I'm reading it. Well, AI me is reading it. Let's crack on.
These opening lines from his song Don't Think Twice, It's All Right capture the essence of Dylan's enigmatic and profound impact on music and society.
I mean, it's incredibly clever, right? But is it a bit creepy? Do you find it creepy? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to do this on your own sites, it's incredibly simple. It can be easier, really. You just sign up for an account on 11 Labs. Step 2 is you upload a sample of your voice so it can create an AI version of you. You can actually use other voices as well. They have a whole range of other voices if you don't like your own voice. Step 3, you design the player so you can design the style of it, the colors, the background colors, a lot of stuff actually. And step 4, you embed it on your WordPress site. This is where you design the player, and it really couldn't be simpler. You just come in here to 11 Labs and you can choose the background color of your player, choose any colors or put your own colors in. And you can also choose the text color. This is where you can choose your voices. Those are my 2 sample voices, but you can see there's a whole range of other voices in here. Once you're happy, just click on General here, and this is the embed code that you're going to then embed on your WordPress site. If you're using a classic theme, then you can use a code snippets plugin to put that code into. Of course, if you're using a block theme, you can just go into the single post template and then just embed your code in there. This works for new posts and also for old posts if you want them to. So I think it's a really, really good add-on for pretty much any site where you have long form articles, because some people like to consume content by listening, more and more people these days. So I think it's a bit of a no-brainer to add this to your sites. But let me know what you think. Spooky or awesome? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that useful and interesting. It is interesting, right? If you did, if you can hit the like button down below now, it'd be fantastic because it helps spread the video around YouTube and everywhere else. So thank you if you can hit that like button. And also every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I release a new one. Thanks for watching, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.